Hey everyone, it's StoveUp1, and welcome back to the channel. Now, jumping into the world of cryptocurrency can be really exciting, but it can also be a little bit daunting. One of the first things you need to figure out is where you're actually going to buy and sell your crypto. That's where crypto exchanges come in. These platforms act as your gateway to the crypto market. But with so many options out there, it can be tough to know which one is right for you. That's why today, we're diving deep into the world of crypto exchanges, comparing Coinbase to some of its top competitors to help you make the most informed decision. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is Coinbase? Coinbase is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges out there, especially for beginners. It's like the Apple of crypto, super user-friendly, easy to navigate, and available in a ton of countries. If you're just starting out and want a simple way to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum, Coinbase is a great option to consider. One of the things that makes Coinbase so appealing is its intuitive interface. It's clean, it's straightforward, and it walks you through the process of buying and selling crypto step by step. You don't need to be a tech wizard to figure it out. Plus, Coinbase is available in over 100 countries, making it accessible to a huge global audience. They've also got a solid track record when it comes to security, which is a big deal in the crypto world. Now, let's dive into some of the specific pros of using Coinbase. First off, as I mentioned earlier, the platform is incredibly user-friendly. This is especially helpful if you're new to crypto and want a smooth onboarding experience. Coinbase also offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies to choose from. While they may not have as many as some other exchanges, they still offer all the major players like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many more. Another advantage of Coinbase is its security. They use industry-standard security measures like two-factor authentication and cold storage to protect your funds. Now, it's important to note that no platform is 100% foolproof, but Coinbase has a good track record when it comes to security. One more thing I like about Coinbase is its educational resources. They have a section called Coinbase Learn, where you can find articles, videos, and quizzes about all things crypto. It's a great way to expand your knowledge and make more informed investment decisions. While Coinbase has a lot to offer, it's also important to be aware of its drawbacks. One of the biggest downsides of Coinbase is its fees. Compared to some other exchanges, Coinbase tends to have higher fees, especially for smaller trades. This is something to keep in mind, as those fees can eat into your profits. Another potential con is that Coinbase's trading features are somewhat limited. If you're a more advanced trader looking for advanced order types or margin trading, Coinbase might not be the best fit for you. Now, Coinbase does have a more advanced platform called Coinbase Pro, but that's a separate platform with a steeper learning curve. Finally, some users have reported issues with Coinbase's customer support. While their support team is generally responsive, there have been complaints about long wait times and unhelpful responses. Chapter 4. Better alternatives to Coinbase. Now let's take a look at some popular alternatives to Coinbase. First up, we have Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Binance is known for its low fees and a huge selection of cryptocurrencies. They offer more advanced trading features than Coinbase, making it a good option for experienced traders. Next, we have Kraken, another reputable exchange that's been around for a while. Kraken is known for its strong security and a wide range of advanced trading tools. They also offer margin trading and futures trading, which are not available on Coinbase. If security is your top priority, Kraken is a solid choice. Finally, we have Gemini, a US-based exchange founded by the Winklevoss twins. Gemini is known for its user-friendly interface and a strong focus on security and compliance. They offer a smaller selection of cryptocurrencies than Binance or Kraken, but are a good option for beginners who prioritize security. Chapter 5. Which exchange is right for you? So, with all that said, which exchange is right for you? Well, it really depends on your individual needs and experience level. If you're a beginner who values ease of use and a wide range of supported countries, Coinbase is a great starting point. It's simple, it's intuitive, and it's a good way to dip your toes into the world of crypto. If you're a more experienced trader looking for lower fees, advanced trading features, and a wider selection of cryptocurrencies, Binance might be a better option. Just be prepared for a slightly steeper learning curve. For those who prioritize security above all else, Kraken and Gemini are excellent choices. Kraken is known for its robust security measures and advanced trading tools, while Gemini offers a user-friendly interface and a strong focus on compliance. Chapter 6. Choosing your exchange, final thoughts. Ultimately, the best crypto exchange for you depends on your specific needs and priorities. Consider factors like ease of use, fees, security, available cryptocurrencies, and customer support when making your decision. It's also a good idea to try out a few different exchanges before settling on one. Most exchanges offer free accounts, so you can test out their platforms and see which one you prefer. Remember, the crypto world is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay informed and do your research. Don't be afraid to switch exchanges if your needs change, or if you find a platform that better suits your trading style. The most important thing is to choose an exchange that you feel comfortable and confident using. Thanks for sticking with me as we explored the world of crypto exchanges. Choosing the right platform is a crucial first step in your crypto journey. So take your time, do your research, and find the exchange that aligns best with your needs and goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more crypto tips and guides. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Let me know in the comments down below which exchange you're thinking about using, or if you have any experience with the ones we talked about today. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto tips and guides.